Welcome back. After a peek at the golden history, basics clear करने तो बहुत जरूरी हैं. So now it's time to go to the field and learn hockey.
The game of field hockey is played on a rectangular field which is 91.4 meter long and 55 meter wide and is divided by a central line and a 22.9 meter line in each half of the field. The goal cages are 3.66 meter wide and 2.14 meter high, and there's a striking circle measured out 14.63 meter from each goal with a dotted line 5 meter from the semicircle. This striking circle is also known as the circle, semicircle or the D, and a goal can only be scored from a shot taken within this semicircle. A spot called the penalty spot or stroke mark is placed 6.4 meter from the center of each goal. The game is played on both grass fields and on watered-down artificial AstroTurf, although for serious play, only Astro is used because it is totally flat and obviously far faster than grass. A field hockey game consists of two halves of 35 minutes with an intermission of 5 to 10 minutes and is played between two teams of 11 players and 5 substitutes each. The hockey team is made of three main groups of players. They are forwards, half-backs and defenders. Forwards, which include left wing, right wing, left inner, right inner and center forward. The forwards' main job is to work together to score goal. Half-backs, which include left half-back, right half-backs and center half-back. The half-backs' main job is to provide a link between the forwards and the full-backs. They have to help the full-backs as well as pass balls to the forwards, backing them up when they are going into attack. Defenders, which include left full-back, right full-back and goalkeeper. The defender's main job is to stop the other team's forwards from scoring goals. Both full-backs always back each other up and pass the ball to the half-backs and forwards. At the time of attack, left half-back, center half-back, right half-back also act as a defenders with the other defenders. Then comes the lifesaver, means goalkeeper, who has to stay in defensive circle and in front of the goal. A good goalkeeper always communicates with defenders and controls the penalty corner defense. In short, goalkeeper has to stop goals from being scored at any cost.
This challenging game requires a finely tuned balance of endurance, strength, flexibility, coordination and skill. हर प्लेयर को अपने टीम मेंबर्स पर ट्रस्ट होना चाहिए और उन्हें पूरा सपोर्ट करना चाहिए विदाउट बीइंग सेल्फिश. Another important thing is keeping yourself physically and mentally fit, जो कि आप कर सकते हैं प्रॉपर ट्रेनिंग एंड वार्म अप से, बट बिफोर द गेम. You also need a proper kit which includes clothing, shoes, safety equipments and of course a hockey stick and a hockey ball.
Your t-shirt should be loose and comfortable, which allows you to do the full swing movement, along with shorts or skirts and football type socks, which also provides the support for shin guards. Always wear good quality shoes and choose them according to the surface on which you are playing, Astro or on grass. Always wear shin guards, which gives protection to your legs from opponent sticks. A goalkeeper should always gear up with all safety equipments like pads, kickers, gloves, elbow pads, helmets, face masks, chest or abdominal protector. These safety equipments will provide them protection as well as confidence, as they have to stop the ball at any cost. Hockey stick is normally 36 to 38 inches long and traditionally made of wood, but now often made with fiberglass, Kevlar and carbon fiber composites, with a round handle flattened on the left side and with a hook at the bottom. Metal is forbidden from use in hockey sticks. The entire stick must be smooth and must not have any rough or sharp parts. The total weight of the stick must not exceed 737 grams. The ball is spherical, hard and made of plastics, sometimes over a cork core, and is often covered with indentations to reduce hydroplaning that can cause an inconsistent ball speed on wet surfaces. It has a circumference of between 224 mm to 235 mm and weight between 156 grams to 163 grams.
ये तो बात हुई कुछ बेसिक नॉलेज की. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस यू रियली रिक्वायर लॉट्स ऑफ कंसंट्रेशन, स्ट्रेंथ, स्टैमिना एंड प्रॉपर डिसिप्लिन ताकि आप अच्छा परफॉर्म कर सकें एंड अवॉइड गिविंग स्कोरिंग चांसेस टू द अपोजिट टीम. काफ़ी बार फ्री हिट्स और पेनल्टी कॉर्नर्स बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करते हैं एंड वन शुड ऑल्सो नो व्हेन एंड हाउ टू टेक चांसेस. लेट्स हैव अ लुक.
When a ball travels over the sideline, play is restarted where the ball crossed the line by a player of the team which did not touch the ball or play the ball immediately before it went out of the play. When the ball is played by the goal line by an attacker, play is restarted by a defender with the ball up to 16 yards. If the ball is played unintentionally by a defender or deflected by a goalkeeper, play is restarted with the ball on the mark 5 meters from the corner of the field on the sideline nearest to where the ball crossed the back line. Penalty corner, which is given against the defending team for an intentional offense by defender within the 23-meter area they are defending, or for accidental fouls in scoring circle. If defender intentionally plays the ball over the goal line, then the player from the attacking team will take the hit at least 10 meters from the goal post of the field on the goal line. The other attackers must be outside the scoring circle with their stick. 5 defenders, including the goalkeeper, must be behind the goal line. As soon as the attacker hits ball, some of the defender can come out for defense. Penalty stroke is given for an offense by a defender in the circle which prevents the probable scoring of a goal or for deliberate foul. In this situation, the ball is placed on the penalty spot and all players on the field except the player taking the stroke and the player defending it must stand outside the 23 meters area. Time and place stopped when a penalty stroke is awarded.
Apart from the players, umpires too have a tough job. उन्हें हर टाइम प्लेयर्स के साथ साथ भागना पड़ता है और अपने आप को हर पोजीशन में अटेंटिव रखना पड़ता है. मैच प्रिपरेशन, कॉपरेशन, मोबिलिटी एंड पोजीशनिंग, विस्लिंग, सिग्नलिंग आर सम ऑफ द मेन अंपायरिंग स्किल एरियाज.
Umpires also keep eye on players' behavior on field. If any player is breaking the rules intentionally, then umpire can use the power of 3 cards. A green card is an official warning. A yellow card is a temporary suspension, just like in rugby or football, which must be for a minimum of 5 minutes duration without substitution. A red card, just like in association football, is a permanent exclusion from the rest of the game without substitution and is usually results in the player being banned for a certain period of time or number of matches. The players must also leave the pitch and surrounding area.
In hockey, there is nothing like one-man show. The thing which is important is accurate and powerful passes. और अगर आप इस स्किल को जानते हैं तो आप किसी भी डायरेक्शन में बॉल को पास कर सकते हैं विथ अनलिमिटेड वेज, अपने अपोनेंट को कोई भी चांस दिए बिना. You master this, you will become the real hero.